Hello and welcome to Let's Put Barbecue. Hen and curry, traditional Swedish dish. Okay, first off you need 2 hen. These are about 2 pounds or 900 grams each, so they're pretty small and they're actually frozen, doesn't matter. Put them in a pot, cover them with water, add 2 chicken stock cubes, 4 bay leaves, 10 peppercorns, 2 small onions, and 3 cloves of garlic. Bring it to a boil, and once it's boiling, use a spoon to get rid of the impurities that come to the surface. And once that's done, this is about 5 minutes into the cook, let it boil for about 2.5 hours. Take the hen out and pull the meat off while reducing the sauce as much as you like. My goal was to have 2 cups of sauce left. Okay, 1 stick of butter, 3 tablespoons of yellow curry powder. I'm using regular curry powder, which is not that hot. And then adding the 2 cups of vegetables, chicken stock, 1 cup of heavy cream, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of xantham gum as a thickener. Whisking profusely to get it in there. If you dip a spoon in it, it should cover and not pour off too fast, then it's done. Pour it over the chicken and let it stand to kind of soak into the meat. Grate 1 head of cauliflower, put it in I have a pasta cooker which is also really good for steaming cauliflower rice. So I'm putting the grated cauliflower in there, a dash of water in the bottom, letting it steam until soft. And then it was just time to plate it. There we go. Hen in curry with cauliflower rice. It's really good. I always had this when I was growing up. I haven't made it in years. That's really good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.